How to install GROK 3 on Windows 11. First, go to the official GROK website and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly sign up using your Google, Apple, or X credentials. Once you're logged in and on your GROK dashboard, look at the top right corner of your browser, especially if you're using Chrome. You will see a button that says Install GROK with a small computer icon and download arrow. Click that button and a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Just hit Install and GROK will immediately be added to your desktop and app list. You can also install it by clicking the three-dot menu in Chrome, then Save and Share, then Install GROK. Once installed, you will find the GROK icon on your desktop and in your Windows Start menu. Just search GROK and it will show up as a native app. And that's it. GROK 3 is now ready to use on your Windows 11 PC. Fast, simple, and just a few clicks away.